Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize the home screen layout on this device. Simply press and hold the home screen. Now tap on the settings on the bottom right side. Now here you can see the option home screen grid and you can see the option the app size also. So if you want to change the app size, just move the slider. So we can apply 3 size. This is a smaller. Here you can see the change. Then medium, then large. So here I set the app size to large, and if you scroll down here you can see the option home screen grid size. Tap on this one. You can see two sizes are available, 4:6 and 5:6. 4:6 means there will be 4 column and 6 rows. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns and 6 rows there will be. If you select the option 5:6, then there will be 5 column and 6 rows. So according to your choice, you can select 4:6 or 5:6. So simply here I am going to select the option 5:6. After this, tap on done. Okay. So now I'm going to move this one. Now you can see 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also you can see, right? So the app size is also much bigger than the previous one. So simply in this way we can customize the home screen layout on this device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.